partial link text by name, by ID. We had discussed a little bit about XPath. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to write customized XPath for your requirement, or you can say how to write dynamic XPath for your requirement, or you can say how to write your own XPath. Before starting this video, there are few points I would like to say for you. So first one is / start of XPath instructs XPath engine to look for elements starting from the root node. So according to this video, this line is not required, but for definition purpose I had written. So in this video we are going to use / only. So if you want the definition, you can read it. So this is the syntax. So XPath equals to /s tag name at attribute is equals to value. This is the major syntax. This is the syntax. If you know the syntax, you can easily write your own XPath. So directly I'm going to my Facebook account. So without any wasting time, I had written some statements here. So first I had imported Selenium WebDriver statement, and I had mentioned Google Chrome executable path. I had navigated to facebook.com. I had given my login credentials. Here I'm going to upload my status. So directly I will place the cursor here. So I will place the cursor here. Once I will refresh the page, something happened here. Yeah, I will place the cursor here. Yes. So here I am going to copy this name, value. I'm going to copy this name value. I'd like to place it here. So driver dot find element by name. I had given the value dot. I'm going to sending some keys called automation beginners dot tk. After sending this, I need to post. It here. So for this we are going to write our own XPath. So we know the syntax already. So I will copy this syntax. Copy. I will place it in Eclipse. So here the tag name is button. So first I will write button, and we need to get the attribute and value. So I'm going to take this attribute name is data test ID, and this is the attribute value. So directly I'm going to copy this value and I'm going to place it here. That's it. This is your own XPath. So whether it is not working or not, we need to know. So driver dot find element by XPath. So I will copy this XPath. Here from to here. I need to click on that. I will make it in single quote. Here also I will make it in single quote. That's it. So you can clearly observe the tag name is button. So tag name is button and attribute. So this is our attribute. So we had selected this attribute because if you select this attribute, there will be no issues and you won't get any errors also. That's why I had selected this attribute name and value. Yes, so I will remove it. After this I will give print statement called send case successfully. between these statements, I would like to give implicit wait up to 3 seconds. So here one statement will be there. For the statement detail explanation, please watch that video. I will mention the top of this video, so just click on it. You will get to know more about this statement. So yes, this is a statement. So I had already done the video for this. I had made it in how to log into your Facebook account. That's the video. I'll give the link in description. Please watch that video. So if you watch the video, then you can clearly understand this video. The main objective of this video is how to write your own XPath. So that's why I'm concentrating on this one only. So please watch that video, then you will easily understand this video very clearly. You can easily understand. That's it. So I'm going to execute the program. So everywhere I'm going to give implicit wait. If you give implicit wait, there will be no issues. I hope so. Yeah. So I'm going to running this program. Yes. So how can you write your own dynamic XPath? All the things we had discussed in this video. We are going to discuss about how can you log into your Gmail. So already I had created one project here. So the project name is Gmail login, and inside that I had created one package. Inside that I had created one more file. Okay, I had imported some statements. So it is a standard statement from Selenium WebDriver, and I am going to work with Chrome only, and I had given this URL which I need to navigate. So first we will test this program. So whether it go to direct login page or it may go to other page, we need to check first. I'm going to execute this program, and it is navigating to Gmail. Yes, it is navigating to direct to Gmail. So here we need to select, right? So here we need to select this attribute name and the value. So always you're going to with inspect. So place the cursor here. So input identifier. So you can select. So you can see this complete. So there is a multiple names and multiple attribute values. So which one you need to select as you wish. So I'm going to select the name. So because the name value cannot be changed. So what is the name? Name is identifier. So I'm going to copy this and I will place it here. So driver dot okay driver dot find element by name. What is that? Identifier. Okay, I'm going to place in driver dot find identifier name identifier. I'm going to send the keys called kvardhan2011@gmail.com. okay, so I'm inside that field. I'm passing this value. So I'll run this program again. I'm going to perform unit testing. Click on OK. Yes, once in the email field it's taken my name. So here we need to click on this next button. So always go through with inspect. Okay, once you click on inspect, so place the cursor on next button. Okay, so here you can see the full and small and very small. So you need to select this middle one. So here you can see you can select this partial link text. I hope so. In this Gmail it will work. So our driver dot find element by partial link text called next dot. So what we need to do? So we need to click on here. Okay, we'll test this. Okay, run as Python unit test and click on OK. So in this video I will show you with errors too. Sometimes we may get errors, sometimes we may not errors too. No issues about that. So it is navigated to Gmail, so it will enter my keys. Okay, automatically something is happened. So it doesn't click on next button, right? So we'll move to this. What is that value? So once we'll click here, yes, the value is same. Oh, no issues in that. So you can see the value. What will be the value once you click on here? So you can get this value. So place this cursor again here. So you need to select this second one only. So once we'll copy this X path. Okay, we'll copy this X path. So whether it may change this, whether it may change the value or not, once you refresh the page you'll get to know. So again place the cursor in next. So again you can copy this X path and just compare this X path value. Okay, here you can select this X path because in X path there will be no issues. So driver.find element. So Gmail is using normal X path only, so it's using absolute X path. So you can copy this X path completely. You need to place it here, and place in single quote. Okay, finally what we need to do, we need to click on that. That's it. Okay, I'll remove this, and this time I'll run this program again. As a beginner you need to know, if I give 2 examples, so it will be very easy for you. So you can automate these websites, you can do with e-commerce websites or whatever the websites you want, you can do, but the process is same way. You need to be in little bit patience is required for you getting the outputs. Yep, so no issues there. So it is clicked on next button. So we need to pass our password, right? So I will give this password. Same, I'll place this cursor in this password field. So what is that password field? So name is password, so I will select this name. So copy this and I will paste it here. So driver.find element by name. Driver.find element by name. So what is that? The name is equals to password. So I will remove this, and I will, what we need to do, we need to send the keys, right? So I'm going to sending the keys, send the keys. I'm going to send my keys print 619. So once I will pass my password, once I will send my password. So what we need to do, so again we need to click on this next button. Okay, again we need to click on this next button. So I hope so the X path will be same. So once we need to check this X path. Okay, again we need to check this X path. So X path value will be same. So yes, X path value will be same. So once, if you want, you can refresh the page. So automatically it will take the, okay, again we need to go through. Okay, I will send the keys here. So normally I'm manually sending the keys because the value which we need to check, right? So I'm going to select this next button. Okay, and again going to copy this X path. Okay, I had copied this X path and I had pasted here. So no issues in that. So the password field also, the password field for X path also same. So no issues in that. You can directly copy this X path and you can place it here. Here, and you need to place in single quotes this password field. Okay, you need to place it in single quotes. 1 minute. Yeah, it's getting complete. Yes, you need to place in single quotes, and what we need to do, we need to click on, that. That's it. This is the first step. So how can you log into your Gmail account? So I will terminate this browsers which we had executed till now. So we'll run this program again. So run as Python unit test. Click on OK. So what is our task? So we need to log into our Gmail. So this is the first task which we are going to perform here. So you can clearly observe that as usual. So it will send the keys in the username. First it will send my username, and here it will click on next button. So it will, okay, something is happened. So what was that? Something is happened. Okay, we'll run this program again. You need to identify that error. What is that error? So it will navigate to Gmail. So again it will send the keys. So something is happened in that. So okay, so it will going to up to here. We'll give some weight here. So always we'll going to with implicit weight. So I will give the implicit weight. I will give up to 4 seconds. So what is mean by implicit weight means? So it will wait the page. The page will be waited so up to 4 seconds, and it will send the keys again to that field. So if the field is matched to that attribute values or not, it will check the automatically. So if the implicit weight is also not working, so we'll move to that explicit weight. So it will be easy, but always prefer implicit weight. So 90% you will get this output by using implicit weight only. If not in the case, so you need to move for explicit weight. Yeah, you can see, because the values will be automatically changing, right? So that's why I had given this implicit weight. So it will wait the page up to the password field is there, right? So in that password field I am going to send my keys. In that password field I am going to send my keys. After that I need to click on the next button. So here I had given the implicit weight, so it will be very beneficial for you. So if sometimes the page may take loading for too much time, so sometimes the elements may not load, so you'll get this blank pages, right? So at that time you can use this implicit weight, so it will help you for doing this automation. Okay, I hope so you'll understand this program. So about implicit weight also you can get an idea. So nothing is there. It will go here only. I can see you. So first we had passed the username, so after that we had clicked on next. So automatically what happened, if you remove implicit weight, so it will terminate the browser automatically. So if you give some weight here, so it will wait for up to 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, in this password field it will send our keys. So similarly you can use this implicit weight for search button. So you can search in Google also, inside the search button, so you can send some keys. So after that use some implicit weight and click on search. Okay, so you can give this implicit weight at anywhere. So it will be very easy, and it will be very helpful for doing automation testing. Okay, is how can you log out your Gmail doing automation test scripts? So first, these are our first test script. So first we are going to log into our Gmail. So in this test script we are going to know about how can we log out your Gmail. Okay, so yes, it is now going to here it is log into our Gmail. So place the cursor here. So go on to inspect and drag it to its bottom. So customize this and go to bottom. Okay, so place this cursor here. Okay, so span ZBAB, ZDZBI. So you go through with the XPath. So copy this XPath and first place it here. Okay, so we'll get one value, right? So again go through this cursor and place it here, so you can refresh this page. So if you want, you can refresh the multiple times of this page, then only you'll get to know so the value of this XPath is getting changed or not. Okay, place the cursor on span ZBAB. So okay, so go to copy XPath, and place it here. Yes, the value is same, so no issues in that. So after clicking on this, what we need to do, so we need to click on sign out, right? So place the cursor and you can see there is a two buttons due, the 137 to 30 and GB71. Okay, so place the cursor here. Here also there is no value to select, so there is only partial link text. So go through with XPath only. Once the value of export is not getting to changed or not, we are getting to know. So the value is GB71. so again you need to refresh this page. So if you want, if you refresh the page one time also, it will change the values. So if you do multiple times also, it will change the values. So if the value is not changing means, so it will give the same values. So place the cursor here. So again you need to select this cyanide button. Okay, so click on this, copy export and place this here. Yeah, so there is no issues. So here what we need to do, so we need to click on this, right? So driver dot find export, find export, so export. So place the value. Now place the, okay, it will take some time. So place the value, place the value here, place the value here. Yeah, place the value here. So make sure you need to enclose in single quote this value. Always you need to enclose this single quote. So what we need to do on this, so we need to click on this, right? So click. So after that also next one is driver dot find element by export. So this value is, so sign out for sign out using this export. Okay, so copy this and paste it here. So make sure it is enclosed in single quote. Okay, single quote, and here also single quote. So what we need to do, so we need to click on that. Okay, so always you can remove this. So this is for that expand button, and this is for the logout button, sign out button. Okay, click on this. So inside this you can use the implicit wait, so it will be better. So the page is takes some more time to load, so it will wait up to 4 seconds. So after that it will run our program. So I will terminate the browser now. So after that finally I will give a statement called print Gmail is tested. So Gmail is tested. I will give the statement. Okay, so I will run this program. So run as Python unit test. And what is this program? Gmail logout. Okay, click on OK. You need to concentrate on console and you need to concentrate on this window. There's a code for how can you log into your Gmail and how can you log into your Gmail. Yes, Gmail is tested. About how to log into your Gmail and how can you log into your Gmail using automation. So in this video we are going to know in a single tab how can you navigate multiple URLs. Means first is I would like to write some points here. So first I would like to go to Google, and after that I would like to go to Bing, and after that I would like to go ask. Okay, so these 3 URLs I need to navigate at your time. So what you can do means you need to first go to Google. So if you are going to Google, so after navigating to this, so you need to refresh the page. So after refreshing the page, again you need to get back to Bing. Okay, so these is our hierarchy. So after getting to Bing, again I would like to refresh the page, and after getting this, again I would like to get back to google.com. okay, so after getting to Google, again I will say I will refresh the page, and I would like to go to ask. That's it. So after this I would like to quit this browser. So after this I would like to quit the browser. I will show you now. Okay, this is our task. Okay, so first I would like to go to Google. So after that refresh the page, and after that I would like to go to bing.com, and after that I would like to refresh the page, and I will get you back to the Google, and after that refresh the page, and I will and again get to ask.com. Again I will go to ask.com. okay, we'll see this now. So first we'll give the URL called driver.get the URL. So http www.google.com. so after giving this google.com, will after that navigate to Google. So here I will give the command called driver.refresh. So once you press the refresh, so it will get you. So again I will give one more call driver.forward. So I would like to forward now. So where I would like to forward, so I would like to forward to driver.get and I will give http www.bing.com. okay, so after going to Bing, so again what I would like to do, I would like to do the refresh the page. Okay, so after refreshing the page, so again I would like to get back to what is that, google.com. so okay, so it will get back to google.com. so after getting back to Google, so again I would like to go to bing.com. okay, so I would like to go to bing.com directly. So www.bing.com. so finally I will give the statement called print. So all URLs are navigated successfully. So all URLs are navigated successfully. So and finally I will give the command called driver.quit. So it will quit the entire browser. So if you give only driver.close, it will close the browser only. It will close some part of the browser. So if you give driver.quit, so it will quit the entire browser. So you will get to know about these two. Actually, if you use driver.quit, it will be better for you. Okay. So I had created one project. So as I already said, so inside that one I had created one package. So after that I had given the file name called NMU, means navigating multiple URLs. Okay, so I will run this program. So run as Python unit test and click on OK. Once you click on OK, it will get to know. So what will be the output? I need to concentrate clearly. Okay, so first it will go to Google. Yep, it will navigate to Google. So again it will go to Bing, and again it will get back to Google, and again it will go to Bing. That's it. So here I had given multiple bing.coms. That's it. So here you can check the console too, and all URLs navigated successfully. So I had given the command called driver.quit. So once the task is completed, so we need to quit the browser, right? So for that we will give the driver.quit. So it will close the entire browser. That's it. Come back to the video. In last video we had seen how can you navigate here multiple URLs in a single window. So in this video we are going to know how can you handle windows and how can you open your URL in next window. In the sense, I will show you in this Opera URL. So I will show you in brief example for you. See, this is my first window. So in this window I am going to open any one of this website. So after that automatically I would like to go to this window, and automatically I would like to open one more URL. So one more website I would like to open. First window is this one, so and second window is this one. So I would like to open this two URLs at a time. So two windows at a time I would like to open. Okay, so we'll move to this Eclipse and we'll create one more Python module project. So handling multiple windows. Okay, so first we would like to open would like to create one package called handle multiple. So handle multiple window, the package name. So inside that automatically the file is created. So inside that we would like to create one more Python module called file HMW handling multiple windows. Okay, click on OK. Okay, so here the file is created. So first you would like to import Selenium import WebDriver. So first you would like to import Selenium WebDriver. So after that I would like to give my path. I would like to work in Google Chrome always. So driver is equals to webdriver.chrome. I would like to work in Chrome, so I would like to give the executable path here. So I would place the executable path. Where is that path? Yeah, this one, the path. I would like to copy and I would like to paste it here. So after that I will I will give one URL called driver.get. I will give http www.google.com. okay, so first website is Google. So after that I would like to navigate to one more website called, so here we are going to use driver.execute script. So if you use driver.execute script, you can use multiple times. You can use it multiple times. So after you can use it multiple times. So using multiple time means you can use this command multiple times. So if you open 5 windows at a time, so you can use this command. So you can give the URLs inside that. So after that you can get the 5 windows at a time. So I mean 5 URLs which you have given this inside the script. So it will give the 5 windows at a time. So you will get to know. So what is that? All the things you'll get to know. Yes. So first you would like to give window dot open. So inside that I would like to pass the URL called http www.amazon.in, and I would like to close it the URL. So what is this means? So I would like to open in new window. Okay, so I would like to open in new window, so I will close this. So that's it. So here I will give print the statement called Amazon is opened in new window. Amazon is opened in new window. So that's it. So I'd like to open in new window. New window, it will be open in new window. Okay, so we'll run this program. So first you need to observe the output clearly, so then only you can easily understand. First it will navigate to google.com. So after that, so in other window, can say in other tab, so it is navigated to amazon.in. So automatically it is navigated. So how can you get back to your first URL? In the sense, so first it is navigated to Google, right? So after that it is navigated to Amazon. So I would like to open in between this one more URL. So after this I would like to open here one more URL. So after this I would like to open here one more URL. So after that, how can you switch these windows? So first you need to go to Amazon. So and after that I would like to go to this any one of the windows. So I would like to go to Google. So after that I would like to go to Amazon. After that I would like to Google. After that I would like to go to this window. That's it. So this is the next video. We'll see detail info about this. So this is a basic means. So how can you open a new URL in a new window? Okay, so these how you can say it's a new tab. Okay, so what this means, it's a new tab. So while we're working on this, so automatically it will take as a window. So you can see you can open it as a new window, right? So in next video we will see this. So now it is opened in new tab. So okay, so it is opened in new tab. Sorry about that. So it is opened in new tab. So after that I would like to switch to this tab, and after like this to switch tab, and after like I would like to switch to this tab. Okay, but while coming to execution, so it will take as 0, it will take as 1. Okay, so it will take as 2 means. So these are the windows while coming to executing the program. So if you know, if you run this program, so what we'll call is if you have opened in new tab, right? So here the name is printed, but while coming to this driver.execute program, so automatically it will take as windows sometimes, or it will take as tab sometimes. So we'll get to know more detailed information about in this next video.